Hey everybody, Justin here with Ultra Bright Lights, and I have in front of me here a brand new Feniex Quantum 27-inch mini light bar. We're going to go ahead and unbox it live for you. So, I got my knife. Let's go ahead and open it up. Alright, so here we are inside the box. We have our light, some bubble wrap. This is our extended warranty card, as well as the instruction manual. If you head onto these websites here, you can learn more about the product and download the instruction manual. Here is the cigarette plug, which is attached to the bar. Go ahead and get this out of my way. So here is the light bar. You'll notice it's all one molded piece of plastic. That means there's no gaps, no extension pieces, nothing to allow water to get inside of it, which is really cool. The bottom is a separate piece, but there's going to be a gasket all around here on the edge. And then in this piece of foam, we'll have the USB. Yep, so here's the USB. We're going to use that with the laptop over here to set up and program all the different functionality of the light. So it's got 4 modules on the front, 4 on the back, and 2 on either side. It's going to give you full 360-degree visibility because these angle modules are 60 degrees. Magnets are attached currently, but I could swap these out for permanent mounts if I wanted to go that route. The wire exits from this side. You can unscrew these wire holders here and redirect the wire to exit from the other side if you needed to exit on the passenger side or the driver's side. Those are all options as well. And then best bet is going to be to remove this USB after the light is programmed. This is not waterproof, so I don't want this on the roof of my vehicle. And that's about it. Check out some other videos where I'm going to fire this up and show you how to program it. If you have any other questions, drop a comment below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.